Welcome back to Unmolding Science. Today, we're not just peeling back a banana, we're peeling back an entire tree. We all know the delicious fruit. But did you know that every single part of the banana plant, from the roots hidden deep in the soil to the magnificent flowers, has a use? Today, we're taking a journey to discover why the banana plant is truly a miracle of nature, with zero waste. I'm your host, and I'm here to help you see how science is all around us, and how we are always discovering new things about the world. Before we dive in, I want to mention that while there are hundreds of banana species, we'll be focusing primarily on the Cavendish banana, the one you most likely find at your local grocery store. But if you have another type of banana you'd like to know more about, drop a comment below, and I might include it in a future video. Okay, let's get started. First, let's look at the very foundation of this plant, the roots. Many people mistakenly think the thick, cylindrical part of the plant is the trunk. It's not. That's a pseudostem, a full stem made up of tightly wrapped leaf sheaths. The true roots are these thin, fibrous, hair-like structures deep in the ground. They're a network that anchors the plant and sucks up all the water and nutrients it needs. And guess what? Don't throw them away. In many countries, the roots and the rhizomes, which are modified underground stems, are used for traditional medicine. In places like Ghana and India, people use the pseudostem extracts to treat intestinal worms, and a powder made from the roots is believed to help with mouth ulcers. While the scientific community is still researching these claims, it shows just how resourceful people are, and the pseudostem itself is incredibly useful. In Costa Rica, they've found a way to turn it into paper, and in other places, it's used as animal fodder or even as a building material because of its surprising sturdiness. Moving on, we have the iconic banana leaves. Look at this picture. They are massive, and like most leaves, they are naturally water repellent. That's why in many parts of the world, especially in Southeast Asia and South America, they are a staple in cooking. People use them to wrap food like tamales or fish before steaming, which locks in moisture and flavor. They also serve as natural, disposable plates or bowls. But the uses don't stop there. These tough, versatile leaves are also woven into baskets, hats, and mats. They can even be used as a roofing material for temporary shelters. For farmers, banana leaves are a great source of natural fertilizer and are often used as feed for animals like cows. It's an example of how one part of a plant can have so many different functions. Next up is the stunning banana flower. Have you ever seen one up close? It's a huge, deep red or purple bud that hangs from the top of the plant. Inside, the flower buds are tightly packed. These flowers only last about 7 days, which is why you rarely see them in stores. But they are a culinary gem. In India, they are a key ingredient in curries, while in Southeast Asian countries like Thailand and Malaysia, they are used in salads and stir-fries. People even use them to make pickles and... Are you ready for this? Banana flower wine. The pollen can even be used to make a sweet honey. I have to give you a quick warning, though. Banana flowers contain a lot of oxalic acid, which can be harmful in large quantities. So they need to be prepared properly. The fact that a single flower can offer so much, from food to fermentation, is a testament to the plant's incredible versatility. And now, for the part we all know and love, the banana fruit itself. I've talked about the uses of banana peels in a previous video. They're great for your skin thanks to vitamins C and potassium. But what about the fruit? Of course, we love to eat it ripe. But did you know that green, unripe bananas have some incredible benefits? They're less sweet, but they contain resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that doesn't get digested in the small intestine. This resistant starch acts like a prebiotic, which feeds the good bacteria in our gut. Eating green bananas can actually help lower your blood sugar levels and improve your digestive health. In countries like Uganda and Kenya, they even brew a beer from unripe bananas that's not only tasty, but has been found to have antibacterial and antifungal properties, so whether green or yellow. The banana fruit is a powerhouse of health benefits. So there you have it. The next time you hold a banana, think about the whole plant, from the medicinal roots to the versatile leaves, the culinary flowers, and the nutrient-packed fruit. Nothing goes to waste. The banana plant is a powerful example of sustainability in nature. What part of the banana plant surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new today, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Unmolding Science for more amazing facts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.